Saturday morning, time to play with Monica. So I did some stuff last night. I couldn't get the video because it was weird. I changed this cable here, which was loose, and I'm about to buy the power steering pump that goes right in here. And you see this cable is loose and all that stuff, right? So I don't think those people took very good care of Monica. See, this kind of stuff. I'm not gonna fix that right now. I already bought a this thing here, and also the key lock. It was lost inside the door, so you can see the door looks pretty good. Besides this whole bunch of factory crap that got in there, I have no idea how I'm gonna take this out of there. And the parts are inside. I got a little logo, a little thing to clean up the plastic because it smells like old car and shit. And yeah, dude, let's see how it goes. Yesterday ran out of battery. Probably this subwoofer I'm gonna take that crap out and sell, and probably make $100 out of it. And that's pretty much it. Got a OBD2 sensor, OBD2 reader, right? And clean up the engine light. Works like a charm right now, which is great. So going good, Monica project. Later.
You can do it, and you will get there. You can do it.